Hi guys, this is Brittany Powers, and for this assignment, my principal gave me the task of revamping our school's federal, state, and district rules and regulations slideshow. So these are some rules and regulations educators need to know, and at Wolf Springs Elementary, each staff member goes through this training at the beginning of the school year just to become familiar and to get a refresher of important laws relevant to educators. So you might be asking, why are these rules and regulations important to me? In short, understanding the laws relevant to education will help keep you and your students safe and out of legal trouble. The first law you need to know something about is FERPA. FERPA is the Family Educational Rights and Privacy Act. Some quick tips for abiding by FERPA are to avoid lounge talk, especially when it comes to students' personal information. Student information should not be shared with anyone outside of direct education providers and their parents or legal guardians. To find out more details about FERPA, you can click this link and it will bring you to a training video about FERPA, but we can watch that at another time. The next law you should become familiar with is HIPAA. HIPAA is the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act. This also has to do with information sharing related to students. A quick tip for abiding by HIPAA is that medical information of students and educators is private. If you're not sure, don't share it. This is another link to more information about HIPAA. But again, we can watch this later. According to Kansas law, you are something called a mandated reporter. If you click this link, it will bring you to a Kansas government website so that you can find out what it means to be a mandated reporter and what your legal responsibilities are. Being a mandated reporter means that you should become familiar of signs that would suggest a student is suicidal, and you need to know what to do about it. Basically, if you have suspicions, you need to report it right away to the parents of the student and your principal. And your principal will let you know what to do from there. Next, you should know something about what is called the McKinney-Vento Homeless Assistance Act. If you click this link here, it will help you learn more about this act. But we're going to go back to the slideshow for now. In short, some quick tips are you have a responsibility to know the families you serve, and you are one of their greatest advocates. You should also know the legal definition of homelessness, which is a little bit more broad than you might imagine. Homelessness can be considered any inconsistent type of living situation. An important district rule that you should know about is Wolf Springs Elementary and all Blue Valley properties are drug and tobacco free. That includes parked cars. For more detailed information on federal, state, and district rules and regulations, you can reference Section 2 in our WSE handbook. If you click this link, it will bring you straight to the handbook. You get a high five for completing this training. Click here to fill out the form to receive credit for this training and credit for your learning. Good job.